Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. In this session, we are going to discuss Plus-Que-Parfait. Plus-Que-Parfait. And this is part 1 of the video. So, let's discuss what is Plus-Que-Parfait. So first, where we are using it and why we are using it. First condition is, in this Plus-Que-Parfait, we use two conditions. So one action has already been done before the another action. That's why it's Plus-Que-Parfait. Parfait is already past. So past of the past is called Plus-Que-Parfait. This is the basic condition. And this is past perfect, or this is equivalent to past perfect in English. Right? This is the second thing. So let's discuss what is the basic structure of it and where we are using it. If you see, the basic structure of it is almost like Passé Composé. It's almost like Passé Composé, except this. In Passé Composé, we were using present, but here we are using imperfect auxiliary verb. So this is almost same like Passé Composé, the structure, but instead of using present être or avoir, we are using imperfect être or avoir. In this session, we are discussing only the two parts of it. Rest or remaining two parts we will discuss in the another video. So the basic structure is subject plus avoir verb in imperfect plus pp past participle and object. In this structure, gender wise ending will not be applicable. Correct? No gender wise ending. Subject plus avoir in imperfect plus pp past participle and object. So what is avoir imperfect? So the avoir imperfect is j'avais, tu avais, il avait, elle avait, nous avions, vous aviez, ils avaient, elles avaient. I hope this is clear. Let's discuss with the help of examples. So as I said, there are two actions. One action has already been completed before the another action. Avant de partir, j'avais fini mes devoirs. Before leaving, I had finished my homework. Avant de partir, j'avais fini mes devoirs. Before leaving, I had finished my homework. Devoir is homework. So we have used this avoir imperfect here. First one, this one. Clear? Tu avais déjà mangé quand je suis arrivé. Tu avais déjà mangé quand je suis arrivé. You had already eaten when I arrived. Tu avais déjà mangé quand je suis arrivé. Correct? So the structure is almost same because the Passé Composé and the Plus-Que-Parfait. Thus, there are a lot of similarities except this verb. PP will be same. All the condition will be same. Then next example. J'avais vu ce documentaire avant de lire le livre. I had seen I had seen this documentary before reading the book. J'avais vu ce documentaire avant de lire ce livre. Next example. J'avais mangé avant de partir travailler. I had eaten before going to work. J'avais mangé avant de partir travailler. Clear? Tu avais lu ce roman avant de le prêter à ton ami. Prêter is to lend. And this is interrogative. You had read this novel before lending it to your friend? Or had you read this novel before lending it to your friend? Right? Then elle avait écrit. Elle avait écrit un poème avant de s'endormir, fall asleep. She had written a poem before falling asleep. Elle avait écrit un poème avant de s'endormir. Right? Vous aviez dit la vérité à vos parents avant de partir. This is also interrogative. Had you told the truth to your parents before leaving? Had you told the truth to your parents before leaving? So, as per the structure, subject, then verb, then passé composé, and object. This is the same. We are following in these. I hope this is clear. This is the first part or the basic structure of Plus-Que-Parfait. Let's move to the another one, which is movement verbs, as we have done in Passé Composé also. And if you haven't watched the Passé Composé series or the videos, I'll share the link in the description box. Right? After that, it will be quite clear. So, movement verbs. There are a set of movement verbs where we are using être instead of avoir. Here we are using être instead of avoir, and imperfect will remain same, but the auxiliary verb will change from avoir to être. Let's discuss. Subject, être imperfect, pp, object. Here gender wise ending will be there. Gender wise ending will be there. Subject, être imperfect, past participle, object, and gender wise ending. So gender wise ending was not applicable here. So what is être imperfect? J'étais, tu étais, il était, elle était, nous étions, vous étiez, ils étaient, elles étaient. Exemple, elle était déjà partie quand il est arrivé. She had already left when he arrived. As I said, gender ending, because this is L, that's why extra E will be there. Elle était déjà partie quand il est arrivé. She had already left when he arrived. This is passé composé, and this one is Plus-Que-Parfait. Then, nous étions que avant de pluie. We had returned before raining. Nous étions que avant de pluie. We had returned before raining. Nous étions. Être imperfect, right? Next, vous étiez monté avant que le spectacle commence. Monter, to go up or climb up. You had gone up before the show starts. Vous étiez monté avant que le spectacle commence. Clear? Next, j'étais déjà arrivé à la gare quand le train est parti. I had already arrived at the station when the train left. J'étais déjà arrivé à la gare quand le train est parti. As I told you, there are two conditions, two situations. One is happened before another one. So he arrived there before something else had happened. Clear? Il était devenu très compétent grâce à son expérience. He had become very competent thanks to his experience. Il était devenu très compétent grâce à son expérience. Clear? Elle était restée à la maison toute la journée. She had stayed at house the whole day. Elle était restée à la maison toute la journée. Gender wise ending because this is feminine. Clear? So we are using Plus-Que-Parfait in case when one action has already been happened before another action, and this is equivalent to the past tense or past perfect tense in English, and this is equivalent to Passé Composé except this auxiliary verb, which is imperfect in case of Plus-Que-Parfait, and in Passé Composé this is present. So we have discussed only one basic structure where we are using avoir and the movement verbs in which we are using être imperfect. I hope this is clear, and in case you have any queries or questions, you can always write in the comment box, right? And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.